Yo, what up? We out here in the woods. Just chilling, man. Nah, this is not woods. This is close to the city. But, yeah, man. It's pretty cool. It's 6:40, 6:30, I don't know. But, yeah, soon I'm head home. Man, there's 2 rabbits. Anyways, do you see that shit? Nah, you can't see that shit. And at home, I'm gonna record some videos, order blocks, and also daily buys today. Daily buys video. Because I want you to guys learn, man. Guys, it's literally summer, so you have to take this advantage, man. You gotta grind, bro. Like, I'm not just saying this because for fun. I'm saying this because if you look at all the fucking rappers, famous people, what do they have in common? They said that they had that one summer, man, where they grinded like fully locked in, and now look at them. They are making hella bread. Yeah, that's why, man, you gotta fucking lock in. Okay? But guys, no jokes. If you're serious about grinding this summer, man, then comment down below. I'm locked in. I'm serious, and I know that you're actually serious. And also comment down below what you think about these kind of videos. Because, why not? I'm just fucking. All I have to do is get my phone in my hand, bro. That's it. Guys, this is the summer that you said that you was gonna lock in, but the real question is, are you actually locked in? Are you actually taking this shit seriously? Are you actually trying to learn the strategy? Are you actually making money in these markets? If you're not making money in these markets, that means you cannot chill yet. Yeah, on the weekends you can chill, but do whatever it takes, man. Like, for real. Yo, you know what's funny about trading? Most of the people are not profitable just because they are making it too complicated for themselves. Like, literally, it's just, you have to have, first of all, risk management, have a good risk reward ratio so you can actually make money. More money than you would lose in a trade. Then have some sort of idea, like daily bias. Go with the trend, yes. Maybe for rally gaps and liquidity. Like, for real, if you do support and resistance, that's completely fine. Guys, any strategy works. You just need to have risk management, guys. Risk fucking management. And what do I mean? You following your trading plan when it says take at least 1 to 3 risk ratio trades, 1 to 2, and go with the trend. Guys, it's simple. Yeah, it took me 2 years to become profitable. But I'm just saying, bro. Yo, you know what's funny? I was walking here. I was like, damn, I'm just chilling outside, being unproductive. But then I remember I'm recording this video to you guys. So, this is what I mean. It's so fucking easy to record this shit. But you know what's also crazy? 2 months ago, I was also recording a daily life, my first daily life. And it was snowing out here. It was fucking snowing out here. And look at this place now. Looks fucking awesome. Like, the real ones know. The real ones know. The OGs know what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, now I'm head home. I'm out here chilling. Life is good, man. Life is good. Life is, holy shit. Man, life is good. Life is good. Enjoy the summer. Enjoy the summer, man. Let's see. I look, you would want to go to the beach today, just later, when I get the work done in home, because I don't know, when you actually, I don't know, it's just, I don't know, is it my fucking, for me, it's like nowadays, it's like, it feels wrong to go outside and chill if I hadn't done the work. But right now I'm here chilling, but this is also a task, so it's fine. Alright guys, I'm back. It's time. I'm gonna record this order block video, so it's time, man. I'm gonna record the order block video, so after that I'm going to edit the video a little bit. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna get some water and let's get into it. No excuses, bro. Yo guys, I just finished up. I recorded the whole order block video, the explanation, the teaching, the education, and then I also finished up cutting the video. You know, I cut the video into pieces so you actually, you know, understand and it's clean. So that's what's up. And now it's 10 a.m. Literally, guys, this is why you have to wake up early. Literally, you have to wake up early to grind and make the most of it, make the most out of the day. Everyone has the 24 hours, but the 24 hours is not the same for the people who wake up early. Because for me, example, look, I wake up early nowadays. I'm trying to wake up early. I don't necessarily, obviously I love to sleep and I love to, you know, stay up late, but I know this is better because when I wake up early, I get so much more things done. It's literally 10 a.m. I've been outside, took the dog out, recorded TikToks, recording this video, recorded order block video, cut the video, and it's literally 10 a.m. And now I'm gonna go eat and then continue the work. And the thing here is, if I would wake up at like 2 p.m., I would be hella like lazy and shit. I'm like, damn, the day has already flown by. And obviously, you know what I mean, you know, it's just, you shouldn't wake up late if you're not, like, if you are not serious, then fine. But if you're serious, then wake up early, okay? All right, guys, let's get it. I'm gonna now record another video. I just ate food, did some things. It's currently, how much is it? I got my watch on. Shit. It's almost 12. It's almost 12 p.m. I mean a.m. I'm not sure. A.m. 12 a.m. or p.m. I don't know. You know the difference because in my country they don't look at time like that. Anyways, it's 12. Okay, it's about to be 12 now. I'm gonna record the daily bias explanation video. Yeah, I'm just make sure everybody learns, especially the people inside the Discord. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Yo, what up? I just finished up the video and I'm also rendering it right now. I just cut the video to the daily bias video, so two videos made today. Also, I'm recording this shit right here, so you know what I mean. We're fucking grinding because what else can I do? I cannot trade. It's not session open yet, so you know how it goes. All right, guys. It's currently 3:30 p.m. In like 1 hour and 50 minutes, I'm gonna go live stream with the Discord. I'm gonna go live trade, look for a setup because we actually have news today coming up. 10 a.m. Eastern time, we have a news coming up. But yeah, it's 3:30 p.m. right now in my country. Okay, but now I was chilling at the balcony, hella hot, sun is fucking beaming. Guys, just closed the stream. $640 made today on the S&P 500, the ES. Also send out the signals for the people who wasn't in the call, but everyone got paid. Let's get it, fam. Let's get it. Hey man, we took the trade. Everything was taken live with the Discord. So that was literally the first trade of the month. It's currently, it's Wednesday. First trade of the month, just consolidation on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just bad price action. I didn't trade at all. So this was the first trade of the month, which was great, super great. Like a 1 to 2 restart ratio, super good type sheet. Anyways, guys, but yeah, man, this is what happened. It was a solid ass trade. I entered from here, filled here, okay? But then I said to the Discord also, if it gets here, you can, like, if you miss the trade, you can enter from here. And once it got to this order block, I re-entered and made even more bread because, you know, that's how it goes. Yeah, man, great trade. The members, they're also eating. Everyone is eating. We're making bread. Let's get it. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here and join the free Discord. And as usual, I will see you on the other side.